Hello friends! In our previous videos, we've shown you how 5 Fingers leads the way in advanced PP woven bag conversion machinery. We've proudly introduced India's fastest liner insertion machine with 6 advanced features, the world's first sheet-fed liner insertion machine, India's first gusseted valve bag making machine, and the first flexo printing machine with a single print roller for all bag sizes. But today, let's talk about why 5 Fingers can be your last stop for all PP woven bag machinery needs. Free live demonstration on your fabrics. We believe in showing results, not just promises. Bring your PP woven and liner fabrics and test them live on our machines until you're completely satisfied. During this process, our senior engineers will be there to clear all your doubts, every single one of them. Installation and training. We don't just deliver machines, we ensure you know how to use them to their full potential. Our team will handle the installation and provide in-depth training for your operators, teaching everything from changing sizes to complete setup. You'll be a pro in no time. 3D factory layout designing. Why waste a single inch of space in your factory? Just share your factory dimensions with us, and we'll create a 3D layout with real-time measurements. This way, you can set up your machine hassle-free and make the most of your space. Project preparation and ROI presentation. At 5 Fingers, we don't just sell machines, we sell success. We'll provide you with a comprehensive return on investment (ROI) presentation, explaining your production costs, profit margins, and the exact timeline to recover your investment. We help you turn ideas into profits. Spare parts supply. Need spare parts? Don't worry. We always maintain a large stock of spare parts. Just give us a call, and we'll have them shipped to you in no time. After-sales service. Stuck with a problem? We've got your back. Our dedicated service team is always just a call away. We'll assist you via video call or, if needed, fly out to your location immediately, because we understand that every minute matters. This is why we confidently say, 5 Fingers will be the last stop in your search for PP woven bag conversion machinery.